Welcome to a little midweek special here on the Supercar Diaries. Today, a lovely example of a golden SVJ Roadster from Novitec. A couple of weeks ago we showed you guys a golden Urus. This is the pendant to that. Let me know down in the comments how you like it. Something very special about an SVJ Roadster, the fact that it looks just ridiculous in every way and that it's such an audible experience because there's no roof, it's all snug in here. So what have we got? First of all, NL4s, they're sort of bright gloss. If you want to see different kinds of the NL4, then check out our website novitecgroup.com. Nice and snug with a sport suspension on this car, just hiding those wheels. But it won't be quite complete if we don't have a full array of different Novitec bits in carbon fiber. So first of all, over here, this carbon fiber lip, the bottom one, keeping that nose nice and snug towards the road. And then these air vents over here in carbon fiber, they are also from us. Now, if you have a supercar, but you don't have something around the waist, i.e. our side skirts or the mirrors, it'll kind of look like somebody wearing a bikini. So that's vital, especially these bits over here in carbon fiber over there, and these gorgeous mirror caps. I think they look specifically good with the golden color, don't you think? And then moving around to the rear, these air vents over here where some nice cool air can infiltrate the engine bay with that 6.5 litre naturally aspirated V12 screaming at north of 9,000 RPMs, shunting out its 770 horsepower to all four wheels through that 8-speed gearbox. Let's get back to this. This is from us. And we've got this lovely carbon fiber wing. That is, of course, all part of the SVJ package. And this car is fitted with a sport suspension as well. So let's see what it sounds like. That is about as proper as you can expect from an SVJ. Nothing cultivated about this car, of course, because it's just supposed to be as brutal as it looks. And the performance goes as well. 0 to 100 in 2.8 seconds and a top speed of well north of 340 kilometers per hour. Needless to say, that since this in the Ultimate form, being the very last Ultimate, the very last Aventadors actually to be driving around, it is quite something to behold, something to be appreciated, and something, I suppose, to try and save in your mind, because from now on things might be a little bit more quiet. However, we might be able to change that. Keep your eyes out for what we're going to do to the up-and-coming Lamborghini models here on the Supercar Diaries. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, then feel free to give us a like and a subscribe onto our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram or on TikTok, me personally at Bill the Cook, or Novitec at the official Novitec. Until next time, stay safe. See you then. Ciao.
You can try to save yourself, but you wanna go play yourself. You can try to save yourself, but you wanna go play yourself. You can try to save yourself, but you wanna go play yourself.